Good morning. Welcome back our science class. You are eagerly waiting for the science class. I know because previous class we went to the water, nearby the water. We learned many things about the water plants. We learned many things about the water plants. We observed many things. We stand nearby the water. See number of plants we can find out in the water. How on the land plants can grow. At the same time in the water also many plants. We can see the different types of plants like a lotus, duckweed, pondweed, water hyacinth. These many different types of plants we can see in the water in the previous class. Now, what are the special features these plants grow in the water? So, which plants grow in the water? Those plants only known as aquatic plants. What Nana? Aquatic plants. Now, one more important topic we learned in the previous class. Aquatic plants. The meaning of aqua means what, children? Yeah, aqua means water. Aquatic means existing or happening in the water. So that everything, what are the special features of these aquatic plants grow in the water? What are the special features? What are the special features, Mama? Special features are very flexible spongy stem, heavy lightweight, internal package of the hollow cells and floating leaves. The leaves are float in the water. All these features are adapted these plants to grow in the water. And these plants are useful, very useful in the water animals, for the water animals. Why? Because these plants only releasing the oxygen. That oxygen only taking the water animals, they continue their metabolic process like breathing and all the process. And not only that, these plants are useful to eat the water sea animals like turtles, toads, small fish, all those are all eat these plants. So it gives the food and it gives the oxygen to the water animals. That is the importance of these aquatic animals. And how it prepares its food? By the process of the photosynthesis. The variation between the terrestrial and the aquatic plants are, terrestrial plants take the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. But these aquatic plants take the carbon dioxide in the water. From the water it takes and it prepares its food. So all these are all we learned in the previous class. Okay, Nana? Do you remember that? Now come to the present class. Now, aquatic plants, how the terrestrial plants are grow in the different landforms like mountains, deserts, coastal areas, marshy areas. Here also, in the water also, different places are there. In the water also, different places. And which plants are grow? Some of the plants are grow surface of the water, means on the water, and some type of plants grow in the water, and some types of plants can grow totally entire life in the water. So, depending on this water level, these aquatic plants only divided into the three parts, three kinds of aquatic plants. Those only the listen carefully, Nana. Those aquatic plants only the three kinds of aquatic plants we find out in the water. Those only floating plants, fixed plants, underwater plants. What is the third one, Anna? Underwater plants. So, these are the three types of underwater. So these are the three types of aquatic plants. Floating plants, fixed plants, underwater plants. One by one we will discuss now. First of all we go to the floating plants. Floating. The name only there. Floating. What are the floating plants? Plants. It means these plants are not fixed in the water. These roots are not fixed in the water. You see, these plants roots are not fixed in the water. Then it's not fixed in the water. How it can grow? You have a doubt. Here, these roots are hanging to the water. These roots are just hanging in the water. These roots are just hanging in the water. Just plant only. These are roots are not fixed in the soil. See, do you know, children? Underground the water like a rivers and the seas and any water pond or a lake, the water level ladder we had a soil very deep. Depending on the water bodies, salty areas had it's very deep inside. We find out the land part. We find out the mud. We can say it is a mud because why? Because it is completely in the water. That land is in the completely in the water. It becomes a mud. So, like rivers, ponds and lakes had little bit of distance. Water level and the land level. It means this one. Like a sea means it's completely, totally, it's very deep inside. Here, these floating plants have, what are the special features it means? These plants' roots do not fix in the soil. Do not fix in the soil. Then do not fix in the soil. How it grows? These what are the function of the root? In the terrestrial plants we learned that. In the previous classes we learned that. What is the function of the roots? Roots only absorb the water particles and the minerals from the soil. Here these roots do not fix in the soil, but even though these roots are absorb the water in the because of already it was still in the water only. So with the help of this water, these roots only absorb water and give it to the leaves. Give it to the leaves. So normally process like a photosynthesis process it can prepare without staying in the water. Why? Because these roots are not fixed. This was hanging, just hang in the water. Roots so whenever the water float is there, these plants only move from the floating. These plants only move from the floating. You can see in the rivers some types of it means we can that these plants only float from place to place. Float from place to place. We know, we don't know that. Why? Yesterday is not there these plants. Then how we get? Because of wherever the floating, water floating is there, these plants are float according to the water. Because these roots are not fixed in the water. Why? Because these roots are very light. Very light. So, because of these hanging roots, they are moving from the floating. They are moving from the place to place. That is one of the special feature, these floating plant. And the next one, these stems had a hollow stems, spongy stem. Spongy like a small holes are there. These already in the previous video about the aquatic plants. What is that? These are all these floating or fixed underwater. All these types of aquatic plants have stems had a very lightweight. Very lightweight. And if you touch it can easily to break. It can easily to break. Like terrestrial plants, we can, if you touch it, we break it, then only it can grow. But those stems are very strong. These aquatic plant stems are very lightweight. If you touch it, easily to break it. Why? Because these stems have a pores filled with spongy pores. What is that? Spongy stems. Because of these spongy stems, in this, you know that sponge, you see that sponge having many pores. If you touch it that, it can absorb the water easily. Like that, these plants are staying in the water, these easily to take the water particles. So because of that spongy stem, these plants easily to float in the water. That is the special feature. When sponge చూడండి ఇలా తిప్పితే పోర్స్ గా ఉంటుంది. Like these stems also, stem at the same time leaves also the spongy spores are there. With the help of these spongy spores, these plants float in the water. That is one of the feature. And coming to the leaves. These leaves are float in the water. These leaves are float in the water. Broad leaves are there. These leaves also floating plants. Leaves are broad. And these plants, these leaves, we can say some of the float. It makes on the surface of the water, it can float. On the surface of the water, it can float. You see children? How these are? How it float? It means it's totally cover the water surface. It's totally cover the water surface. It is the one of the main advantage to very useful to sea animals. Why? Because these are totally covered the surface of the water. Whenever the water is like this, so underground the water, in the water, so many, it is the home of so many fish. Here, if the water, it's the leaves only covered with the surface of the water, we did not get the directly sunrises to these water animals. These are water animals only protected by these floating leaves, by the hot sun. That is the one of the very useful, these floating leaves or surface of the water. Because it is protected by the hot sun to the water animals. Okay children, so this is about the floating plants. What are the special features? See, these are all set down. It means those are covered the water surface. For example, what are the examples of these floating plants? Means duckweed. Which plants are the floating plants? It means duckweed, water hyacinth. This is the water hyacinth plant. Duckweed, water hyacinth. These are the some of the examples. These plants grow in the floating plants. These are the examples of the floating plants. Okay, ma'am? Do you understand that? Now we'll go to the fixed plants. What are the fixed plants? In the name only they fixed. Here you observe one thing, in the floating plants, these roots do not fix in the soil. Here in the fixed plants, roots are fixed the bottom of the mud. That's what its name also fixed. Means these are fixed in the bottom, very deep inside the river water. Bottom mud, in the mud, it fixed in the mud, in the water. The roots are fixed in the mud, in the water. So this is because of the fixed roots, these plants cannot move from the place to place. These are fixed. These are permanent place like a terrestrial plants. Only the floating plants only move from place to place. But these fixed plants cannot move from the place to place because of these roots are fixed in the bottom of the mud in the water. And that is the one feature. And this stem, it has a long hollow stem. Very flexible stem grow up the water, above the water. It's small, very long, one of the tube-like part. It was a tube-like part. See, roots are fixed in the water. Roots are fixed in the water. The stem only grow above the water. See, the best example of this, you see the lotus flower. See that roots inside the water. We cannot see here. Only the stem only grow above the water. How is the stem? It is tube-like structure. It is tube-like. So we can find out the flowers also. These are fixed plants. These fixed plants. And here the stem only. This had very flexible stem. Because of this spongy flexible stem, these plants stay in the water. These plants, that is one of the adaptation. These plants, fixed plants, fix in the water. Okay, next leaves, coming to the leaves. These fixed plants leaves had broad. It's had like a plate type leaves. How the plates are there? Very broad. Like these leaves also very broad leaves we can find out in the fixed plants. And here one more important quality of this, one more important feature these fixed plants have. Here in these leaves had a stomata. Every leaf had a stomata. Because of the stomata only, it continue the breathing. Because plants have a leaf had a stomata, that is the breathing organ in a plant. Here also, in these fixed plants, leaves had a stomata. That stomata normally is in the underside of a leaf. But here, these fixed plants, stomata has on the surface of the leaf. On the surface of the leaf, it had a stomata. Why? Because it is surface on the leaf, above the leaf, and the leaf pine onto the stomata. It's not a normal leaves had down of the hole. Stomata makes very small holes. Stomata makes very tiny holes. We cannot see with our direct eyes. We can see only with the microscope. But these pores, we can see the stomata. In these fixed plants, we can see upper part of the upper side of a leaf. Why? Because these leaves are float in the water. If it is in the down, how can it take that pores only in the water? That holes only, that stomata, if it is like this, that down of the leaf, it touches to the water. Then how it takes the carbon dioxide? So, the stomata only, upper part, upper side only, above the leaf only, we find out the stomata. With the help of this stomata, it takes the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It prepares its food. That is the main feature, this fixed plant to stay in the water. Okay, and it had a flowers also. And these leaves had a waxy coating layer. It protected from the rotting. Rotting means dead decay and dead bacteria and viruses. Protected from the, with the help of this waxy layer. This it protected by the rotting. Rotting ante chanipoyina dust, alanti waste materials, bacteria, fungus, alanti evi form avakunda. So it protected the waxy layer on the leaf. So these are the special features we can find out in the fixed plants. The examples of the fixed plants are lotus and lotus, tape grass, pondweed. Lotus and pondweed. You know children, lotus, it is our national flower. Lotus, it is our national flower and it is a sacred flower too. We can use this flower in pujas also. Okay, the next feature is underwater plants. Underwater plants. So, do you understand Anna? Floating plants, fixed plants, and the next one is the underwater plants. These plants completely entire life grow in the water only. These plants entirely completely grow in the water only. These underwater plants we can see in the seas, oceans, and we can see in our houses aquariums. Do you know aquarium? In our houses we keep in one glass bottle, glass places we know we keep in that some of the fish we may grow and some of the plants we do. So aquarium we can find out and mostly we can see these underwater plants in the seas and the oceans. So these water plants, underwater plants, they can grow completely entire in the water. Entire in the water only. So here, these roots are fixed in the mud, bottom of the water. These roots are fixed bottom of the mud in the seawater, and completely leaves and stem, everything grow in the water only. Everything grow in the water. Here then completely in the water. Here these leaves only take the carbon dioxide from the water, because it doesn't take the atmosphere. How it is possible? Why? Because it's grow in the water only. They cannot see the outside atmosphere. They cannot see the outside atmosphere. So it can grow completely in the water only. So it take the carbon dioxide in the water, and also preparation of the food. It releases the oxygen to the water animals. Water animals. And one more thing, children. Here in the underwater plants, these plants do not have stomata. These plants do not have stomata. Then without stomata, how these plants can breathe? Do you have a doubt now? Without this one, these stems are flexible. These stems had a very flexible, and these stems had air spaces. These underwater plant stems had a air spaces. Because of these air spaces, these take the carbon dioxide from the water. These plants take the carbon dioxide from the water. So like in the desert plants, cactus also, they do not have a leaves. So stem only preparing its food. Like same, these underwater plants also preparing its food by the stem. Because stem had a air spaces. Stem had a very light and air spaces. Because of these air spaces, these stem only prepares its food and take the stomata to breathing organ to breathe it. Release the carbon dioxide, take the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen too. These are the features. It means it's looking like a grass. It looks like a grass. And these plants are very important. It means it gives the oxygen to the water animals, sea animals. See, number of sea means very large whales, dolphins, starfish. Number of water animals are there. All those animals, these underwater plants only giving the food and the oxygen too. Okay, so these are the special features adopt to these plants in the grow underwater. Okay, children? Do you understand now? Once again, floating plants, fixed plants, and the underwater plants. The examples of the underwater plants are take grass. Take grass. Examples of underwater plant is take grass. Okay, ma'am? So these are the aquatic plants like a floating plants, fixed plants, and the underwater plants. These features are adapted to these plants to suitable to grow in the water. Okay, ma'am? So these are the plants. This is a variation. Completely they can grow in the water. See, these are the underwater plants. These are the floating plants. These are the floating plants. These are the underwater plants. And these are the fixed plants. These are the fixed plants. Okay, children? This is about aquatic plants. Okay, ma'am? Next class we will continue later.